Hi all, welcome to our channel. So today we discuss topic about that how to fix Facebook incorrect thumbnail issue in your HTML and PHP website. Suppose we are uploading one content about this option. People will be shading the Facebook option. They will showing for image will be not showing, or we can sharing for the wrong thumbnail. Suppose we are changing thumbnail but showing for wrong thumbnail or unable to showing for thumbnail. So how we can resolve these issues? That is option name is called Facebook debugger. So using for Facebook debugger development tool, click for this URL. What are the issues in this URL? Click for debug. These are two things remember. We are changing for new image, still showing for old image. We can select this option. Suppose image not visible when you share the content on Facebook option, we can using for Facebook debugger. Selecting for Facebook debugger in search, simple, Facebook debugger, click this option and click this link, debugger. Here will be make sure it will be properly. When you click for here, scrap again. So it will visible purpose. I have to show image is correct or not anything, there will be option will be here. So once again, we can refresh this particular browser. So what are the content they will be using here? Copy, click for Facebook page option. There is a fraction of seconds or minutes, the image visible to the customers onto using for your particular option. They will be shared will be different options. Click this option. Now we'll be using for here is that. So here will be click this option. It will be help for not only for Facebook. They will help by the Twitter and Instagram. Will be not only Twitter and LinkedIn account will be shown to the customers. Here will be share your particular post option and it will be share this particular audience. So those all steps will be followed. Anything will be incorrect and thumbnail will not visible. That option name is called Facebook debugger will be used. Click for scrap again. They will show image will be properly how to visible to the customer. We can click here. Everything will show to the customer and share content will be on your particular Facebook page and profile option. So if any question about this particular option, Facebook debugger and image thumbnail issues, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you how to rectify the issues. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.